Today we are stripping the interior of my 1973 VW Beetle so that these disgusting seats and door cards can be sent off to be reupholstered. As you can see, this interior is in need of serious love. From the tears to the dirt to who knows what else, we need to get them out as soon as possible and straight to be reupholstered. So let's get this thing one step closer to being back on the road. I'm going to start off with what I think is the easiest, these door pads, because it's a couple of screws and hopefully they come right off. What I'm extremely worried about is how much rust we are going to uncover while stripping this interior. So stay tuned and let's find out together. If we get 1,000 likes on this video, I will reveal the color of the interior that I've decided to go with in the next video. So smash that button and let's get to work. Door card number 1 is off. Moving on to door card number 2. Now this door was way harder than the first one. I didn't realize that I had to get the door handle cover off first. Oh yes! Cover out. Then I could get the screw out before I could move on to the clips. Door card number 2. Oh, that was an easy job. This one's not even screwed in. Two clips and the last door pad is out. Now let's get on to getting these seats out. I tried to watch a couple YouTube videos on this bad boy, so let's see how challenging it is. Oh, treasure! We found the other door handle insert. We bring her forward and hold this lever. We've got movement. We've got movement. Oh yes! Seat number 1 is out, ladies and gentlemen. Now, how much rust would I uncover? That's not looking hopeful. Blatant hole. Hardly any floor left and a full-on waterfall, and this isn't even the worst side. Wait until you see the driver's side. And there it is, seat number 2. Door pads out, 2 seats, and now the rear bench. As I complete getting the rear seats out of the Beetle and reveal the condition of the floor to you, you let me know, is this repairable or not? And just rust galore. This build has just gotten ridiculous. Let's get these seats off to Marion Motorsports. And we are all done. Seats and door pads all out. Way more rust than I ever anticipated. But most importantly, we're one step closer yet again. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for this insane adventure. A link to Marion Motor Spares is in the description. They have everything from door handles to rubber seals, so check them out now.